Hello, in this video, I will show you how to use Runway ML Image to video. The first thing you can do, open your browser. After you open your browser, what you have to do is to log in into your account. Go to runway.com, then log in into your account. Once you created an account, then you can follow the next step. The next part, it is easy. You will have to upload the certain image that you want to make a video. For an example, I'll use this one. We're going to use this one. All you have to do is to upload it. Once it's uploaded, I'll use this prompt as an example. This one. The first thing that you have to specify is to say, create a cinematic video from the uploaded image. Then you have to give it a proper prompt of what you want the person in the image to do or the specific actions that you want them to do. For an example, you can say, keep the person's face, hairstyle, clothing, and body proportion consistent with the original image. This to make sure that they'll not change too much of the person, like their clothes or their hairstyle, including their face, so that they remain consistent. And also you can add on to say, she gently turns her head, smiles naturally, and her hair moves slightly in a soft breeze. Here you have to specify the type of actions that you want your image to have. Make sure that they are simple and clear. And also you can say subtle realistic body movement, smooth natural emotion, cinematic lighting, high detail. Also, here you can have to add the type of cameras that has to be incorporated in the video. As you can see, keep the camera stationary with no zoom in or zoom out. If you want other actions that a camera to tilt or to have a cinematic zoom in or zoom out, you have to specify within the prompt. And try not to give contradictory prompts, is to say zoom in and out at the same time. Just make sure that they're clear and they go on a specific place and time. And for you to generate the video, you need to have a paid plan. So make sure you can upgrade to a premium plan. Then you can start making videos from this AI and you're done.